Peace in person. Hello and welcome back here on my channel. Today I'm talking about the topic why nature is so smart. Right now I'm here sitting again in my park and it's really early in the morning. Maybe as you can see it's just so sunny. It's beautiful. All these birds here are singing, as you can listen. So, today's topic, it's just all about why nature is so smart. And for this special video, I'm going to share with you just a little bit of my thoughts. And I also want to show you a little bit more about nature here in this park specifically. So right now I'm going to show you some flowers and why I think, or my thoughts about why nature is so smart. Right now I'm going here around a chestnut tree and here are some branches just low enough for me to grab them. There you can see some beautiful flowers. So right now this tree is producing these flowers or these blossoms, and maybe in some month later there will be some chestnuts, and these chestnuts take up so much energy. That's why these plants started to bloom right now in the spring season, and in the summertime they will just get so much energy from the sun. That's why nature is smart. Nature does know or has some kind of consciousness which does tell them to blossom right now in the season and to get so much energy during the summertime from the sun. Also, right now I'm walking here on a way, on a road, which I haven't been here walking in the past few weeks and months. Also, there are no sirens going on, but I don't mind. Here, right next to me, there's a small hill with so many blossoms and flowers. Have a look. It's so beautiful here. There's so many of them, even those big ones. And right now I'm here at the end of the way of the park. Maybe I will find some other blossoms to show you, but as you can see the hill was plenty of them. It was full of blossoms, full of beautiful flowers, and now I can just show you some dandelion, but I guess you all know how it looks like. Okay. Maybe here some acorn, or if I'm lucky I will find a birch tree. Or here, yes, I found something really special. I really loved to play with this in my childhood. These seeds are a little bit sticky if you do open them, and you can stick them on your nose, if you know. These here I cannot see very clearly, but maybe if I go like this, here, these beautiful little seeds, you can open them and stick them on your nose. It's funny. And as I said, these trees are right now blooming or producing seeds and fruits, because during the summertime they will get more energy and more warmer conditions than right now here in the spring season. It's still a little bit cold, even if the sun is out. As you can see, my nose is a little bit red. It's not frosty, but it's fresh. But it's really comfortable to stay in the sunlight, just relaxing, walking a little bit here in the park. So, if nature does start right now in the spring season with producing something really energetically or something with so much power, then maybe you should also start something to have a great impact later. Maybe you are thinking about a project, or you are thinking about something else. And this something else I'm going to share with you later. Because I found so many seeds from wild herbs and I took them to my home and planted those. I just taken some onions and some other herbs, and I'm just waiting for the success of the seeds, maybe, or if they can survive in a pot, just to see if I can plant my own herbs at home, and if not, then I will have a proof. So I'm going now right home and showing you my little success from maybe 3 days of sowing the seeds and waiting for them to sprout. And as I told you, now I'm here back at home, and here is my very first pot with some seeds which are now sprouting. As you can see, they're just little tiny plants, and here maybe a little bit better to see. They're just getting around. So, and now for the end of the video, I want to challenge you to also pick some wild seeds from herbs or from maybe a tree or other plants and just sow them and wait for a week. And if you have made some progress like me, go and share it on social media, maybe on Instagram, maybe on YouTube or on Facebook, and just let other people know that you did something to prove the consciousness, if I can even tell or say, call it a consciousness, but the consciousness of the seeds, that they are produced right now in the spring season, because if the plant produces these fruits with the seeds, usually or naturally, these fruits will get dropped by the plant, and then they usually hit the ground very hard, so the fruit itself splatters and the seeds are then loose on the ground, and then they will naturally start to sprout. That's the intelligence or the consciousness of the plant, and from my opinion or my thoughts are just these conclusions. So that's all for me. I have finished. That's all about the topic right now, all my thoughts. Maybe I will write down some comments down below, or you can also ask me something down below in the comment section. I would appreciate it if you just write something down, and maybe you can also just like me, plant something in the pot. That's my challenge. Don't forget it. I wish you all a nice sunny day and goodbye.